Basic English conversation for beginners. At the park, meeting for the first time.
Hi, my name is Leo.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Emma. Nice to meet you, Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from England. It was nice talking to you. Bye, Leo.
Yes. See you next time. Bye, Emma.
Let's now review what we learned from this conversation. Takeaway summary, key phrases and questions. Hi, hello, meaning a way to greet someone. What's your name? Meaning asking someone's name. Nice to meet you. Meaning a polite thing to say when you meet someone new. How are you? Meaning asking how someone feels. Bye, see you next time. Meaning a way to say goodbye. Great job! Practice these simple conversations with your friends.